Professionally landscaped. New doors. All new paint, all new blinds, new carpet. Cable TV hookup. All 3 bedrooms have a closet. There's a second bedroom. There's new carpet in it. Closet. Here's the bathroom. Recently repainted and recaulked, so it looks really nice and clean. A non-see-through mirror. Here's the kitchen. All new blinds in here. A gas stove. Cabinet space. We have a pantry. Refrigerator goes over there in the corner. Here's the 3rd bedroom or the office or your dining room. New blinds, new paint, newer floors, your closet. And here's a look at your deck in the backyard. Got a screen door. I'm doing a little bit of landscaping right now, so that'll get done. Here's the deck, and then the backyard. Let me know what you think.